Hello, my name is Gay Howells, your Careers Advisor for the School of Engineering.
And I'm Karen England, your Employability Advisor for Engineering.
And we want to personally welcome you to Cardiff University.
You have access to a wealth of support to help explore your options, build your confidence and discover your potential. Don't worry if you're not sure about your career plans or find it a little bit daunting. We're here to help at every stage.
You can book appointments to meet with us to discuss anything about your career ideas. From what options there are with your degree, to CV and cover letter help with application forms, interviews, job and placement search and more. You can even book a series of coaching sessions to dig deep into your aspirations and to support you in finding your career.
In your school, we run workshops and events tailored to you to enable you to meet recent graduates and industry experts who want to share their stories. And there's a lot happening in the Centre for Student Life every semester, so drop in to see us at Student Futures on the first floor.
Why not access work experience opportunities to give you the chance to try out different careers? There may be something there for you and they could work around your studies.
We're proud to support the diversity of students at Cardiff University, and we know that some talented students can find it more difficult than others to find work experience, so our team also provides flexible appointment opportunities to fit around your schedule and your needs.
If becoming a global citizen is important to you, then we offer different opportunities to work, study or even volunteer abroad. Go to places like China, America, Fiji, Europe and more and get to experience new cultures while enhancing your CV. And don't worry, we have a range of bursaries and funding options to give everyone the chance to go global.
Throughout the year, you'll be able to attend careers fairs where we bring employers to you, speak to companies to find out about their graduate schemes and placements, and maybe discover something new. Find about the next careers fair happening soon on your Student Futures account.
Not sure if working for someone else is your thing? Our enterprise support helps you be your own boss. From freelancing to tech startups, we've helped them all.
If you're not sure where to start, then I'd recommend signing up for the Cardiff Award. This is Cardiff University's Employability Award, and it provides step-by-step guidance, enabling you to reflect on what you're looking for. It's recognised on your HERE, which is your Higher Education Achievement Record, so it's a great way to showcase what you've achieved.
All of this and more is available from day one of your studies, whether you're an undergraduate, postgraduate or postgraduate research student or an international student. If you'd like to find out more, just search your future on the internet and log into your Student Futures account. It's never too late to start thinking about your career. Why not book an appointment to see us or pop in to see our team on the first floor of the Centre for Student Life? Karen and I offer appointments virtually in the Centre for Student Life or in T107 at Trevithick. Karen and I are looking forward to meeting you.